You don't start. Carry the camera come. See car when I buy 2021. When I buy this car 2021, I buy 5.5 million naira direct Belgium. And today they sell the same car for 16 million for direct Belgium. The same guy will sell my 2 GLE for me. Now he sell this car for me 2021. You know understand? Before I talk what I want to for the video the ambience of the car first. 2021, no. Carry camera come. You see the way the car still neat. Go that time you video the ambience of the front. You they see go fast more. Video the ambience of the front. You they see the car still they very neat. If anybody tell you say car they hard to maintain, now because maybe you not get stable source of income. If you sabi maintain car, if you use that car for more than 10 years, nothing will happen to that car. You know that this car now, sorry, officially post them as normal congratulations to me. Say congratulations to me. I don't collect new ride, and they will still congratulate them because it still be like what they buy like few months ago. You know understand? Now what I want to tell you, you as a young boy where they live life, if you get the means to take buy car, bro, buy car. Buy car will set you up for success. If you get money to buy car, don't let anybody deceive you. Car will set you up for success. Now social assets. You see people when they say this about every day. The way you they rate people where they drive and the people where they trek now two different. Even yourself, you know the world is not fair. It gets some people will be say as they see you, it gets the reason why they don't want to share themselves with you now because of say it gets things will be say they know they see with you. Once they start to see with all those things, they will begin to align with you. Now so life just be. The world is not fair. So if you get money as a young boy where they come up, get car where you feel maintain me to the package your life they go. The same guy will sell this car for me. Now I sell those my 2 GLE for me. SLG and C autos and they sell them for me. Now I want to show you the interior of the car. Let's see the interior. After many years though. Good. That's it. After many years, you see the way it still be. Nothing don't do nothing don't do the car. You know that stuff. So anytime when you go mechanic shop, I want to show you the papers of the car. I want to show you how much I buy the car that year. See the way all the papers are even rough. The papers are even rough past the see my name for here. The people are even rough past the see my picture. That's how they use dread. That's how I see they do my dread. The papers are even rough past the car. You know that stuff. When I buy my GLE, I notice something. Can't know how to buy. The reason why many of them not feel they buy car because of say number one. Many of them not really know a lot of things with the Apple. Like, it gets what to Apple recently. When I buy that my GLE, the black one, which is the 2022 model with a carbon fiber interior, wrapped in a pure black diamond with a touch of dragon yellow. When I buy that my car, the man tell me something, which is SLG and C autos. The man tell me something, say, Geh Geh to say you would patient small. I for do this car pre-order for you. So that it go take time for like 2 months to 3 months before you go get the car. But that one, at least 20 to 15 million naira will come out from the car. So imagine say you go buy a car will be say what like 2 or something million naira. 20 million is still a lot of money. Will be say if you used to do another thing. But be say now that time the money in my hand. Now that time the money in my hand. So I just worry. Make I not go use the money do another thing. I just collect them, keep them for them. Man, they drive my car small. The day I not drive, my phone not born. Man, I not go put that for place. I go put my money for place. So we say sometimes I get so something don't happen to you or something when you do. And they see my cars every day. They wake up and they see my cars every day. They give me joy. They give me morale. They say they give me sense of fulfillment. Say I don't see try for this life when I come. Just because of say I drop video to advise the video. Nigeria say Geh Geh. Person will drop out for you now. You they mock online. Say I be great. I beg, Mona forgive me. I be great. Now great I be. If person help me, I know they remember them again. And they bite the hand where they feed me. Once you do good for me tomorrow, na bad I go take pay you back. I beg, Mona forgive me. Na bad person I be. Now me be the black Jesus for Nigeria. Carry camera come. I want to show you something. I want to show you the engine of the car. Go back to that side. I don't see try for this life when I come home. Now so this life just be. Tell me congratulations on the comment section if you're happy for me. As they celebrate me, now so the world will still celebrate you. You know understand? Tell me congratulations. Tell me congratulations. I don't see try. Sure? Carry the camera come. I'll show you something. You know the ambience of this place. They see now somebody business be this. Where I carry this car go wash for car wash. Normally other people they wash car for 2,000 or 3,000. But anytime I go that place, say Geh Geh, Geh Geh, I want to wash your car. I want to wash your car. The same people who want to wash my car. before I go look, I don't spend 50,000 naira. Now say no, me go let me go watch the car by myself. You know the ambience. If I watch the car by myself, that 5,000 no. If I see all those small shit with them in the create content, I share 1K for their hand. Anytime with they see me, they go aim me. They go aim me for inside community. I prefer that one. You know understand? So I don't really know anything you want to do with this information I give to you. Go and do with it. You know understand? The only thing when I did against for this life now, you will be say as a young person. Because many people go say, Geh Geh, why you not be the type of men that not they buy car? Now for you will be say you not get the means and the resources. Go buy car will be say you not fit the maintain. Go buy car will pass your power. And then the problem will come from. But if you buy car will be say they within your level, it's not a problem. You know understand? Now, okay, I want on the car now. May you see the sound, may you hear the sound of the engine. See amo. You hear the sound, very cool. After how many years, you can see the very sound and neat. The easiest way to take buy car now, now through this pre-order. And this SLG and CO2 they do them. For you will be say maybe you get the money, but you don't want, as long as you dey patient. Car where they sell normal 80 million before 85 million. If you use pre-order take buy them, as long as you wait for like 5 to 8 weeks, that same car you fit get her for all those kind 65 million, 60 million naira. As long as you dey patient, you give the company the monies, SLG and CO2s, they go order them for you. They will deliver them to your house, your doorstep, everything. You will get her well, and it will save you like 20-25 million naira. That 25 million extra, so you feel that you do another thing, you feel that you do business or another thing, we will still help you. Now so this life just be. So peace out, God bless you. Ogo like don't do.
Like and subscribe.